myself first. Here I am going to explain the Python program to find the QR decomposition. Uh, Now this is your question for finding the QR decomposition. We have to get input for this input and we have to find the Q matrix and R matrix. So this the output is this one. For this I am giving the Python. First I have to import the numpy SNP numpy function. Next I am defining the user defined function user defined function that is QRT component. We have take you can take any value. Next I am taking a variable name n and use for that variable I am giving that using dot save function. Dot save is a function which will find out the number of rows and number of columns. Next I am defining the q matrix. Q variable name q and creating an empty matrix with the n cross n. N is the number of rows for another variable u, I am creating an empty matrix which is n cross n. Next, for that empty u matrix, I am defining the first column of v. For that, I am defining here as u into set into bracket of first. The, this one implies that all the rows and this zero implies the first column. Okay, equal to a all the rows and the first column. The first column of u equal to the first column of a matrix. Same that only here for q matrix. The formula is q equal to a divided by norm of u1. So that only I am giving the norm. I am giving the norm given as a matrix zeroth column of a matrix divided by norm. To find norm, we have to import the linear algebra dot norm. In linear algebra, we have to import the norm and give it the q value. This will find the norm. This is the code for the finding the norm. Next for finding the q2. This was only a u1 only. For finding u2, the formula is a2 minus a2 dot product of u1 into u1. So that for this we got this a1 a2 a1 a2 a1 a2 a2 it is a1 a2 a3 it is continuously going. So we have to run a loop. For that I am running a loop for I in range of 1 comma I want number I want a loop for just number of rows only. So I am giving the number of rows for this u of ith row. If I equal to 1, the first column equal to the first column of the a matrix. Next I have defined a while inner loop. Inner loop as j in range of 5 only. What the column number is, that is the same as the column. What is the row number, that is same as the column number. Next I am giving the u value u matrix as the for this formula. Let's see the formula. u2 equal to a2 minus a2 dot product of u1 into u1. For that I use this simple concept u minus a. This two are same. So u equal to u minus ith column. When I equal to 1, I first column means first column minus first column of a dot product of if j equal to 1, first column of j divided by into q, jth column if j equal to 1, first column of q. That only I am defining here. Okay, next I am defining q is same that this only. For giving the zeroth column, I am given as the ith column. When I equal to 1. Next, I create another variable name R, and I am creating a zero matrix. Why I am creating zero matrix? I am creating zero matrix is because the R is an upper triangular matrix. For that only I am going. So we have to create a upper triangular matrix. It was in this in the format of with this upper triangular matrix. So I have to run a loop for I in range of n number of rows and j in range of I comma m number of columns. What is the column number? For that, or I am giving the matrix. The formula is dot A into dot product of Q. So only I am defining A jth column of A into dot product of ith column of Q. That this is an upper triangular matrix. Okay. So now I am printing the Q and R. Next step I am getting the input for A, and now I am calling the function. Now I am running the function, and I go given the input as this as an input. Now I run in, I got the same output as what is the given. Thank you.